Have you ever wake up feeling tired, sluggish, or simply unmotivated? Many of us experience night we toss and turn, or morning we will has exhausted even after the hands of sleep. Some people even deal with the insomnia. The good news that with the right habit, you can improve your sleep hygiene and enjoy more restful nights. As part-time students and workers, sleep plays major roles in helping us to balance demanding schedule, heavy assignments, and long days. Without the proper rest, everything become harder. I became interested in the sleep habits because I personally struggled with sleep for a long time. After researching effective the habits and trying different strategies, I eventually built a routine that improved my energy and also improved my hopes they might help you too. And I will show you how to create a sleep routine and why the limiting your screen time matters and how to build the sleep-friendly environment. Let's start with the routine. A Sleep Foundation article published in 2025 titled The Health Benefit of the Sleep emphasized that having consistency to like the bedtime routine in one of the most powerful ways to improve your sleep. When you repeat the same habits every night, your brain recognizes that the signals and become to the wind down. You can build constantly by the setting regular sleep schedule and practicing like a calming activities like meditating, stretching, reading a book before bed. The research published in the PubMed Central in 2018 emphasized that the people without the consistency sleep schedule are more likely experience more quality sleep. It's important to remember that going to bed early isn't always better. What matters most is sticking into your schedule, even changing your routine by just 1 hour can be affecting your sleep circle. And after that, we can start with the sleeping environment. And in April 1st, 2025, the Healthline article argues that the people lose about 24 minutes of sleep for every hour spent on a screen before bed. Another study published by the PubMed in 2022 emphasized that the blue light from the screen also suppress the melatonin, the hormone that help you body prepare for sleep. That's the blue. Keep your brain. The blue lights keep your brain alert at time when the should be winding down. And let's go to the sleeping environment and start by adjusting your bedroom conditions. The CDC does emphasize that keeping your bedroom cool and quiet and also really nice. You have to choose the really good mattress and the pillow. It's helped you a lot to feel comfortable and help you to sleep. Today we discussed how to build a consistent sleep routine, reduce the screen timing, and improve your sleep environment, making even small adjustment. Like the Joseph Cosman says, the best bridge between the despair and the hope it is a good night sleep. So we make sleep your body. And thank you so much.